Let's make some pancakes.
To get started with these pancakes, we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients with our wet ingredients, and you can find those on our website. The blog will have everything you need there, all the measurements, and everything you need to make these pancakes. Once you mix your wet and dry ingredients, we're going to gently fold that together. It's not necessary to flip the spray, but we're going to hit it with a little cooking spray. Cook it on a few minutes each side. Then we're going to add some butter, some sugar, and we're going to mix some berries together. We went with blueberries and strawberries, but you can use anything you want. We're going to add a touch of bourbon, light it on fire, let that cook down, then we're going to add it on top of these pancakes. This is a delicious breakfast. You can find the full recipe on our website.